So what is an atherosclerosis? It's an inflammation out of control. What we human beings have invented? We invented processed carbohydrates. We invented things made out of sugar, flour, soya flour, and vegetable oils. All your breakfast cereals are poisons. Nobody should be eating them. Sugar is a poison, the most addictive substance in the world. Modern bread, pastries, pasta, all of these sort of things. If the person had sugar and this sort of thing only occasionally, insulin will be produced. It will remove all that excessive glucose out of your bloodstream into the cells. The cells will process it, and the body can cope. But what do people do? What do our children do from a very young age? They have a sugary breakfast cereal in the morning, then they eat sandwich for lunch, crisps in the middle, and they eat pasta in the evening, and lots of sweets, chocolates, and soft drinks in between. A bottle of Coca-Cola has 8 teaspoons of sugar in it, and it absorbs in seconds. It's pre-digested. Your digestive system has nothing to do with it. It just floods into your bloodstream. So if that situation continues day after day, week after week, year after year, the cells in the body say, well, I had enough. I can't take this glucose anymore. It's too much. They become insulin resistant. That is the beginning of diabetes.